Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Microsoft Advertising, complete guide step by step clearly. Click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you do not have an account, click on create one to set up a new Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a password. Once your account is created or you have signed in, navigate to the Microsoft Advertising dashboard. Locate the Get Started button or option on the dashboard. Click on Get Started to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to the subscription page where you can choose your advertising goals. Select the type of advertising you are interested in, such as search, display, or app advertising. Review the different pricing options available. Choose a plan that suits your advertising budget and goals. Fill in the required details such as payment information and billing address. After entering your payment information, review your selections on the summary page. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding. You will receive a confirmation message once your subscription is successful. Access your Microsoft Advertising account dashboard to start creating your first campaign. Explore the tools and resources available to optimize your advertising strategy. Familiarize yourself with the reporting features to track your campaign performance effectively. Continue to engage with the platform to enhance your advertising experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.